Hi, everybody. My name is Zanny. My profile goes by my given name, which is Phoebe, but I do go by a nickname, which is Zanny, Xannie. Whichever you call me is fine, Zanny or Phoebe. With this program, I am entirely new to the field of social work and counseling, and pursuing this degree is a complete career change for me. So I have never worked professionally with anyone diagnosed with a mental health condition, although I certainly know about diagnoses from my personal life, from my own personal work, and from working or talking and having relationships with my family and friends who have diagnoses. Regarding my own beliefs about mental health diagnoses, on the one hand, I think there's still definitely not enough being made because there's still not enough access to mental health care. But on the other hand, I do worry that people, especially children, can be misdiagnosed. And I see, not with my own children, but I feel like I've seen with other children I know, that often rush to label them as ADD or ADHD. So I'm not saying that happens all the time. It's just something that has been on my mind as I've watched my children grow up. Obviously, because I'm new to this field, I have not participated in making any sort of DSM-5 diagnosis, but I am so looking forward to learning the process of making a diagnosis. And I'm really excited about this class overall. I'm so happy to see so many familiar faces, and I really look forward to meeting everybody and getting to know everybody in this class. And I hope everybody has a good weekend. Bye.